Hi, my name is Allison Shaw, and this is my own life story. In the bustling cityscape of the 1980s, amidst the whirlwind of life's ups and downs, I found myself at a crossroads. Before the internet era, I was grappling with the aftermath of a short-lived marriage that ended tragically, leaving me in a state of confusion and despair. Brain fog clouded my thoughts, and each day felt like an exhausting marathon through a landscape of hopelessness. It was during this bleak period that a dear friend extended a lifeline in the form of a book on meditation. With nothing left to lose, I dove into the practice, though I must admit I found it rather unremarkable at first. But as days turned into weeks, a subtle transformation began to take hold. Around the 30-day mark, I started to notice something remarkable happening within me. The world, once shrouded in darkness, began to gleam with newfound brightness and clarity. Every aspect of life, from the gentle rustle of leaves to the vibrant hues of a sunset, seemed to hold a profound sense of beauty and wonder. As I delved deeper into meditation, I found myself experiencing moments of pure euphoria, as if I had unlocked a hidden reservoir of joy within myself. Life, which had once felt like an endless struggle, now became an exhilarating adventure filled with boundless possibilities. Miraculously, as my inner landscape shifted, so too did my external circumstances. My salary soared by a remarkable 30%, and even my side business began to flourish beyond my wildest dreams. It was as if the universe itself was conspiring to reward me for my newfound dedication to meditation. But perhaps the most extraordinary twist of fate came when, by sheer chance, I crossed paths with a personable and good-looking man through a mutual friend. From the moment our eyes met, I knew he was the one I had been searching for. We fell deeply in love, and over the years we welcomed two beautiful children into our lives. Now, over 3 decades later, we are still together, stronger and more in love than ever before. Through it all, meditation has remained a cornerstone of our relationship, anchoring us in moments of joy and guiding us through times of challenge. I urge anyone who finds themselves at a crossroads in life to consider the transformative power of meditation. Trust me, you won't regret it. Recently, I stumbled across an online meditation course by an Australian named Giovanni Dienstmann, recognized as one of the top 5 meditation teachers worldwide. Trying the course enhanced my meditation practice in ways I never thought possible, and I feel compelled to share this revelation with others. If you're interested in embarking on your own meditation journey, I encourage you to click the link in the description box below for a free introductory course. If you found value or joy in this message, please like and subscribe to spread the word to others who may benefit from the transformative power of meditation.